Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, where communication meets innovation. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, ChatGPT stands as a revolutionary tool, changing the way we interact with technology. But what exactly is ChatGPT? Let's dive in and explore. At its core, ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand, interpret, and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Its sophisticated neural network architecture allows it to learn from vast amounts of text data, continuously improving its understanding and response capabilities over time. Whether it's assisting with customer support inquiries, providing personalized recommendations, or even aiding in creative writing, ChatGPT seamlessly integrates into various applications, enhancing user experiences across industries. Behind the scenes, a team of dedicated developers and engineers work tirelessly to refine and optimize ChatGPT's capabilities, ensuring it remains at the forefront of AI technology. With its natural language understanding and generation capabilities, ChatGPT mimics human conversation with remarkable accuracy, making interactions feel more intuitive and engaging than ever before. So, the next time you engage in a conversation with a digital assistant, receive personalized recommendations, or seek assistance online, remember that behind it all lies the remarkable technology of ChatGPT, shaping the future of communication one interaction at a time. ChatGPT, redefining communication for a smarter, more connected world.